Welcome to CAS Academy. Today we're going to learn how to add text to our designs here in Canva. First thing we're going to do is click text, and you can either click add a text box or you can scroll down and view the different font combinations that they have here in Canva. There are many different font combinations and you can choose them if you would like. But what we're going to do is we're going to scroll back up to the top and we're going to click add a text box. And we're going to make our text box bigger by grabbing the handle in the corner. We're going to drag it to wherever you want to put it on your screen. We can click in the box to change what the text says. So we're going to type in sing here in this design. Make it the size and fit it where we would like it to be on the page. Then we can click our font box to choose what type of font that we would like to use. There are many different fonts. There's over 500 fonts here in Canva. We'll pick one that looks like it goes with the theme of your design. I think I'll go with this one here. We can grab the handles to make it a little bit bigger since the way it looks changes a bit when you change the font. We're going to choose the colors and we're going to decide what color we would like our text to be. I'm just going to change the position here so it's sitting behind the other text that was on the page. Just adjust its position just a little bit. Have a teenager ages 13 to 18, sign them up for our Be a Graphic Designer 10-week course on how to use Canva. And there we have it. We've added text to our design here in Canva.